Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to use some important features of Google Docs through the web browser. This is part 2 of the video. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. In the last video, we completed the features till the font style tab. Now moving on from that, we will see the font size tab. In the font size tab, either you can increase the font by this plus icon or decrease it by this minus icon, or you can directly insert any of the font sizes and click on enter to adjust. Now after this, we'll see the bold option. We can directly highlight select the whole data, and we can bold it out by clicking on the bold option. If you want to set it in italics, we'll directly click on italics. If we want to underline it, we'll click on underline, and that's it. The whole data has been bold, has been italicized, and has also been underlined. And now we can undo the whole thing. After that, we'll see how to change the text color. From this, we will just directly select the whole data. We'll click on text color and we can choose whatever color we want. We can even press on the plus button to customize the colors and to use the customized colors. For now, we'll just select a random color. For example, we'll choose the dark purple 1 color, and yes, that's it. Your data has been changed to dark purple 1 color. After this, we'll see the highlight option. So for the highlight option, we'll again select the whole text and we'll tap on the highlight color. For the highlight color, I guess we'll choose the blue, the cyan color. As we click on it, the whole text, as you can see, has been highlighted in the color blue. That is it for today's video. We'll see you in the part 3 to discuss more features about Google Docs through the web browser. Thank you for being with us till the end. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new informative video for you. Thank you.